Assalamu alaikum, this is Mubashir Mughal, and the one liner of this session is how to achieve your goal without getting stressed. Mostly when we have decided our purpose, our goal, and we got stressed. This is very unfortunate for us because we are working very hard to achieve that goal, to get that aim or anything which we have set in mind. But mostly we get stressed and we feel pain. We want to do something, but we can't do these things. The reason behind it is stress. There are a lot of reasons to get stressed when we are working on our goal, on our aim, on our purpose. So how we can get out of that stress and how we can achieve our goal, our purpose, our aim without any problem, how we can focus and how we can get rid of these stress when we are working on our goal. I will talk about 7 ways that will help you to get out of your stress, inshallah. So what is the number one thing to get out of your stress and achieve your goal without getting stressed? Number one thing is that you should be clear about your aim, about your goal, about your purpose. Sometimes we want to achieve something, our goals, our purpose, but we are not clear. If we are not clear about our aim, our purpose, our destiny, we are getting nothing. First of all, we have to be clear, and a clear image must be formed in our mind. Then only we can work on that aim, on that purpose. So be clear about your purpose. You can say it clarity of your purpose. Second thing to get out of your stress and to achieve your goal so confidently is do those things first. Imagine those things. Suppose that you want to become a cricketer and you will become. You have to imagine these things. And what will be the worst situation if you will get, or the process of getting your aim, your goal. Imagine that worst thing before starting to work on your aim, on your goal. If you imagine the worst thing before working on your goal, on your aim, it means that you are ready to accept any type of obstacle. So imagine the worst thing first. Third way to get out of your stress while achieving your goal is do not work on multitask. Your mind can focus only one thing at a time. You can do one thing perfectly at the same time, at one time. So do one task, but do perfectly. Do not do too many things. You need to do just a single thing, a single task, but from your heart, from your mind. Do your best to that thing. Because multitasking is a waste of time. You are wasting your time if you are doing too many things at the same time. Do one task, but do from your heart, from your mind, and do perfectly. Fourth way to get out of your stress while you are achieving your goal is say no to the people. You have to know that this is the biggest stress when you are accepting too many tasks from the other peoples. And this is a bad habit of saying yes to any person. So must say no to the people and do what you are doing. Don't change your schedule. Do not stop your task. Just say no to the people that I'm doing my own work, and when I will be free, I will do your task. So do not accept too many tasks, because if you are accepting different tasks from the different people, this will lead you the world of stress. So say no to the people. Fifth way is be flexible, but don't show flexibility about your goal, about your purpose, about your aim. Just show your flexibility about the way to achieve your goal. You can change your method, you can change your technique, you can change your path, you can change your way to achieve your goal. But you can't change your aim, your goal. If you are not getting good result from your one way, then try out the other way. If you are not getting good result with one technique, change your technique. So be flexible about the way, about the path, about technique. Sixth way is do not compare yourself to the others. If you are doing so, you are insulting yourself. If you want to stress less, do not compare yourself to the others, because you are a unique person. You have uniqueness in yourself. Then why are you trying to compare yourself to the other people? You can't compare. So don't try. If you are trying, you are insulting, and this will lead you in the world of stress. Don't compare yourself to the others. Don't follow other people. Just follow your heart, your passion, and work what you like, in which your satisfaction is. 7 and last way is be relaxed. Take a deep breath or meditate. Don't rush. Keep patience and meditate. Visualize your goal, your aim, your purpose. Visualize that you are happy and you have achieved your goal, your aim. You have to meditate about 10 to 15 minutes daily and visualize. This will help you to get out of your stress. Surely. There are too many things to get out of stress while achieving your goal, your purpose. But I hope that these 7 steps will help you to achieve your goal so easily. If you think that this session will help to the people, then please share it. And if you want to share some ideas with me, then please do comment and ask me some questions and also tell me more about this. I hope you will learn a lot from this session. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.